In a modern aerospace facility, the journey of an A-10C Thunderbolt II begins. The newly separated aluminum billet undergoes rigorous ultrasonic testing.
There it is, exactly as predicted.
Good catch. The die shows a clear indication right on the leading edge.
The system cross-references the identification codes, providing a final verification lock. This event. Rough-cut bars of aluminum are submerged into specialized cleaning fluid. Microscopic bubbles
This secondary heat treatment stabilizes the structural material, relieving internal stresses and maximizing the strength.
A critical step, meticulously masking areas that must retain dimensional accuracy while exposing surfaces.
The fixture plate is transferred into the 5-axis micro-milling cell. It locks into position for the final shaping cut. The tactile sensor verifies the surface texture created during chemical etching, confirming the ideal roughness profile.
Purity levels are stable at 99.9%, temperature holding steady.
The specialized two-part aerospace epoxy is automatically dispensed, then sealed under vacuum and placed alongside. System confirms completion of Process A. The Vortex generator kits are accounted for, allowing the structural assembly phase, Process B, to commence. In the modern factory, an AGV delivers the crucial vortex generators for the A-10C, held in cold storage until the assembly line is ready. The installation of the vortex generators marks the end of Product A. Now, in the vastness of As part of the final assembly line, portable UV curing lamps initiate the chemical curing of the structural epoxy. The sheer number of these components highlights the complexity of the aerodynamic refinement. The structure is now slowly moved out of the UV curing area.
Alignment is within tolerance. Ready for sequence B.
Confirm. Engaging the bolter.
Sequence 47 through 52.
Continuity confirmed. All systems nominal. The reading here is 6.2 mils,
Acceptable range. Check the leading edge of the vortex generator.
still within tolerance.
Ensure the linkage is secure before the next sequence.
Copy. Verifying the connection now.
Cycle the flaps to 20%.
Roger, cycling flaps now. Stress test looks nominal. Vortex generators clear.
Confirmed. Panel secure. Ready for taxi.
Here we see the finished product B undergoing final operational testing, showcasing its rugged reliability and precision engineering.
As the Thunderbolt approaches the runway, the small triangular vortex generators ensure remarkable stability.
All right, focusing on the vortex generators now.
Copy that. VG1 through 5 looking good, no stress fractures visible.
The final assembly line includes a critical resilience check for the vortex generators. This verifies both the manufacturer.
Ground tow is entering the hangar. Clear on the left wing.
Roger, steady as she goes. Clear on the right.